Yo, what's good guys? Deeps FX here again, and in this video guys, so I'll be showing you guys a minor upgrade. Will I say minor? Let's just say probably a major upgrade I made on my trading station. So I'm sure you guys must be wondering of course which screen or which monitor I'm using right now, and how I got this matte and the rest of this stuff. So basically I'll be showing you guys my new trading setup and basically how much everything cost. Yeah, I think the upgrade cost about 300k. I think about 250 or 300k or thereabout. So without further ado guys, let's dive right into the video. Yeah, so guys, if you welcome straight into my trading station slash trading room and everything, my office setup and the like. So this is what you'll be seeing. So I have this standing fan right here, and I have my ring light, of course, as you guys know. And yeah, so this is basically my trading room. So this is the whole room studio and the likes. So of course, I told you guys that I just moved to this apartment, right? So I have carpet on the floor. I prefer this thing carpet to rug for some reason. And then yeah, so basically this is my new trading setup, guys. So I'm sure you guys must have seen this monitor. Basically, I have this 27-inch frameless monitor. Of course, the TV I was using previously is kind of like bigger than this, but this has more quality. It's more expensive. It's frameless. It's doper and everything. So guys, so this was the trade I called out. I didn't enter the trade, but I called this out today on our mentorship group, and I think yeah, it was the sale on GG, as you guys can see. So guys, this is an I made. Let me see if you guys can see that. Yeah, an I made monitor, 27-inch frameless monitor, and if you guys look closely, it's standing at the back of an arm. So I wrapped this arm with my previous LED. Yeah, so the LED was wrapped around this table previously, but then I wrapped it at the back of the monitor just to give it some backlight. Yeah, so you see that those red backlight that you guys are seeing here. So that is just because of this. So you guys see how dope it is, right? So of course the monitor stand also doubles as a laptop stand. So this is my PC. You guys of course know my PC, my HP PC. So this is the PC that's connected to my monitor screen. And so the monitor arm came with this stand. So they kind of like both doubled. As you can see, yeah, that's one right here, and one monitor stand right here. So it can be used to hold two monitors at the same time. If you guys, yeah, it can be used to hold two monitors at the same time, and it can be used to hold one PC and one monitor. So probably if I get another monitor in the future, then I might just add that. So basically that's just everything about the screen. So now let's go to the mat. So if you guys notice, I changed both my mat and my keyboard too. Okay, for the price of the monitor, okay, I think yeah, the monitor costs around I think 180k. Yeah, I think 180, 160 or thereabouts. Guy, I didn't know. I actually paid for everything together, and everything was like 250 plus the transportation and the like. So yeah, I think the monitor cost around 160, 150k or something like that. Then the monitor arm, yeah, the monitor arm there about cost about 80k. I think 70, 80k. Yeah, that was the cost of the monitor arm. Of course, I had my PC before, so I didn't need to buy a PC. And then now going to my mat. The mat is just 15k, guys. Yeah, the mat is just 15k. So I got this mat, RGB mat. You can see this is the light connected to my PC. My PC right here. So the light is connected to my PC. So I can change this light. That's different. I can change it to blue. I can change it to green. I can change it to purple. I can change to different options. So that's this button right here that I can change to whatever you want. So this costs 15k. I got this too with the monitor and everything. So as you can see, I can change it to you can change it to multicolors too. So you can change it to multicolors. So the mat is probably just basic and the likes. Yeah. So now let's go to my keyboard. So I now use wireless keyboard and mouse. Previously, I know you guys used to see one black wired keyboard, right? So now I use this dope wireless keyboard, guys. So the keyboard is really nice. I really like it, guys. I love the feel, love everything. And as you can see, this won't operate, guys, until you click it. So when it's left down, until you click it, that's when you see it operate. That's one of the crazy things I like about the mouse too, guys. The mouse So the mouse and keyboard, guys, is mention. I think that's the name of the mention of the keyboard. So this costs around 25k for the mouse and keyboard. The mouse and keyboard cost around 25k. And then of course my regular phone right here. Well, you guys know my trading phone. So this is my trading phone. Yeah, this has always been here. So basically that is everything about my setup. This is my trading chair. Trading chair has been here too. Yeah. So of course you guys will see that this is kind of messy, right? My cable management is very, very poor, guys. So this is kind of messy one. I haven't really wrapped my head off this yet, but I think I'll just look for a clip or something just to pack them together, hold them together with the lights. So basically this is the updates on my new setup, guys, and my new trading room slash trading station. There's really much to say, right? So let's go to the back of the ring lights and then we do some kind of stuff. Okay, yeah, I think we should do this stuff. I'll be yeah, crazy, right? Yeah. So basically it's a nice, clean, simple trading station, trading look I was looking for. And I think at the end of the day I can't like pull it off, right? So if I'm getting any additional screen or anything, I think yeah, that'll probably come later, right? Later in the future or later anyway, guys. So with that being said, yeah, I think that'll be all for now, guys. Guys, so that's pretty much everything I added to my trading setup. So guys, like I said, everything there about cost around I think 250k or something. So think about $200-300. So the money that you make up the market, I mean cover this. I mean the money I make a day cover this whole trading upgrade and the like. So that's just the beauty about forex, guys. When it's time to spend money, you might not even know the feeling, because what you get more than enough from the market. And if you are earning money in dollars, especially in the African country, right? I mean, especially in Nigeria, you are earning money in dollars. I mean, you be like, you be spending like a king when it comes to expenses and the likes. So with that being said, guys, you can also achieve this. I mean, when I was starting in the forex, I mean, I didn't start like these, guys. I started with my iPad, if you guys remember. Started with my Microsoft pad, and I think yeah, it was kind of here before, and I kind of like removed it because it was making the setup look noisy. And I think I gave it out here. I think I gave it out to my cousin or something. So I started with that, and at the end of the day, I kept growing, turned to a TV, and from that to a monitor, and now we have a dope trading station, guys. I mean, I'm still not there yet, but I mean we are getting there, and this is kind of like manageable for now, guys. I mean, it's never manageable, guys. I mean, I feel comfortable anytime I'm coming here to take trades or take classes with my mentees and the like. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video, guys. Don't see this as a flex, guys. This is more or less like a motivation. And if anybody wants to copy, or wants to have a similar setup like mine, it's very minimalistic and it's very simple to copy. So I just get that too. So don't forget to subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.